Welcome to a Management Plus training webinar. My name is Kevin Sloan. I'm a certified electronic health record specialist and certified ophthalmic technician. Management Plus is an industry leader in EHR. We want to provide you with the documentation tools and the skills to use these tools proficiently. Today's training webinar is titled Correspondence. Let's get started. We have patient demographics on the screen in front of you for Mr. Bob Hope. And we want to access a correspondence template arrangement type. A correspondence template arrangement is used in the event that you get a phone call from the patient and you need to document something. This can also be used in the event that you receive a letter from another physician or some data in regards to the physician that is medically related, and you want to attach it to the medical record so that you can access it from inside your EHR. If it's financial, you'll put it in the attachment section. But if it's at all medically related, you want it attached to a record. If the patient was in the office either today or a day or two ago, or will be in the next day or two, you can attach it to that particular record that the patient has used or will be using for that next visit. If not, you'll want to create a new correspondence record. That's easily done. Right click, choose New, and then Correspondence. Your template arrangement may have more than this and may have a different name. This correspondence form is used for the ophthalmology forms and for the optometry forms as well. It's the same one. So you'll choose Correspondence and then Open. The blue banner at the top is identical to other health records. As you know, this is not part of your EHR form. This is just part of the main system, as well as your attachments type section. Above this, you'll see that there is only one form on this template arrangement, which is called phone screening. This is the actual name, but we're going to refer to this as correspondence. You can see that our last physician comes forward. I have today's date, and then our last four master diagnoses. So immediately we can see exactly what the patient had been treated for in the past, or at least has been diagnosed with. Automatically, my name will go in here. I am signed in as system administrator, so it will be displayed here. Pressing tab will take me to the date. T for today, pressing tab, N for the current time, which is now. Depending on the type of phone call received, you'll choose one of these 6 options. Triage patient. So if they call complaining of an eye problem and you want to document this, since you are taking a phone call, you'll want to choose triage patient. It puts that into the visit description. Miscellaneous patient notes just gives you a blank notes section. It will put that in the description. If it's a follow-up call, these controls will be displayed, and you can document the values within this section. Puts follow-up call in the description. If it's a refill request, puts that in the description, and then launches these controls so that you can document data within that. If it's a medication question, again, the description reflects that, and now you have specific controls for just those questions. Contact lens triage will put that in the description and then give you controls for that documentation. Oftentimes, by clicking a control, whether it's yes or no, will display other controls so that you can continue to document accurately and efficiently. If you need to create an appointment, you can click your button that says scheduling, and you'll see your scheduling template so that you can create an appointment or find the patient's next appointment as well. If you needed to attach a file, click on Attachments. As you can see, it's defaulted to the Visit tab on the bottom, and now I can attach any file that I need. Right click. If you choose Scan, this will scan in one page per file. If you have multiple pages that you want to scan, the better option is to use your large office scanner, scan all of your pages into one PDF file, and then navigate through the network via choosing the import option to your shared network folder. So if you have a folder somewhere on your network that is receiving all of the files that you've scanned on your large office scanner, you'll just navigate to that computer or to that shared network folder, locate the file, select that, choose open, and it will bring it right into the attachment section. You can also copy into this. So if you wanted to leave it in there, you can choose copy into visit, and we'll just choose this. Say you had copied in a visual field result, and there you have it. I would give it an attachment type of V for visual field. Now you can see the number 1 is displayed next to that attachment type since I've assigned it. And if you wanted to choose a description of OD for the right eye, you could certainly do that as well. Accessing all the attachments for all of the records for this one patient is accomplished by clicking the All tab at the bottom. You may need to move that up a little bit, and now you can see all of the attachments for all of the records very easily. Again, the All is for all records. Visit is just for today's record as well. Makes it very easy to do your data documentation whenever you receive a phone call or receive some information that you need to attach to a record. This completes the training on the correspondence form. Thank you.